Hey guys, recently I posted a video on how to play triads on Ghanaian praise, and I promised you guys that I'll be doing the part 2 of that same triad on an English praise. Okay, if you haven't watched the part 1, I recommend that after watching this part 2, go check out the part 1. So as I said, in the part 2 of this triads, we'll be looking on how to apply the triads on simple English praise. But before I start the breakdown, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also leave a comment too. Okay, so guys, grab the bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So the breakdown goes like this: Jehovah. So on your 2 goes like this. Okay, just take it slow. That is 2 2 2 2 2. So you plug it like 5 times. That is your root 2. 2 2 2 2 2 4 6. Okay. Okay. Now to your 6. So the same shape. Your 2. Your 6. So your 6 notes are 6 6 6 6 6 1 3. So now to your 5. Okay, that is 5 5 5 5 5 7 2. So T re. Then back to your 1. Do 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 mi so. Do 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 mi so. That is 1 1 1 1 1 3 5. Okay, Jehovah. Okay, so now let me bring in some passing notes to it. Okay, so Jehovah. So that is to your 6. That is 3 5 6 6. Mi so la. Okay, mi so la 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 do mi. To your 2 2 6 5. So now to your 5. So now to your 5 2 6 5 5 5 7 2 re la so T re. Back to your do. That is your 1. So do 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 mi so. So do 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 mi so. 5 1 1 1 3 5. Okay, so when you add them up, Jehovah to your 2 again. Now to your 4. Do fa 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 la do. Okay, do fa 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 la do. Re so T re. So la do. You understand? Okay, so you can just be using this as an exercise so that you get that speed you want. Okay. Something like that. Okay, so now let's check out the second steps using the same triad. Okay, so I'll recommend you to use this as an exercise, because when you are playing this, actually it is very hard. Okay, so when you master it, try using it as an exercise. Okay, so Jehovah. So when you are descending back, it is not that easy, so just try and take it slowly. Okay, so the same notes to your 2, the same triad note, you understand? Okay, da 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 da. Then you descend la fa re 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 fa la la fa re. Okay, take it slowly. Then to your la, the same groove. You understand? 6 6 6 1 3 3 1 6. your 5. Okay, this would be a little bit challenging. So T re re ti so. Okay, and back to your 1. Okay, to your 4. You understand? Okay, so just take time and learn this triad very well. The first one using the Ghanaian praise, and also this one. Okay, I think these are the few two triads groove I'll be giving you today. Okay, so I'll be posting this week, and I don't want you to miss the lesson I'll be uploading this week and next week. I want you to challenge yourself, get a loop or maybe a praise loop, then start using this exercise, that is this second step, and try building that speed you want in praise. Okay, so use these triads especially so that you will know the intervals and how to use them, and mostly try to increase the tempo when you know that you are challenging yourself, so that you can be able to go fast. Okay, I know there are some praises out there, they are very, very fast. So when you try to conquer this, you'll be able to play maybe this song, maybe the singer will be playing it very fast. You won't be missing the note. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.